Welcome to 5-Star Guns and Gear. My name is Ethan Davis, not Rodney Davis, but he's my grandfather. So, I'm going to be doing this 6.5 Creedmoore. This one has a little slight touch. It's softer than another one that he has, and I got, shooting glasses. So this is a Howa 1500.
Okay, put your ears on, and I'm going to get down here with you. It's going to have a little bit of a kick, okay?
Okay. All right, I got to get my earplugs.
He's going to set, what are you going to shoot at, 100 or 200?
200. Y'all should check out this other video of my 22 I shot, and it has just a peep sight, no scope, and I shot 200 with that, so y'all should check it out.
If you like this content, like and subscribe. Definitely try to get children involved in our shooting sports. That's our next generation of shooters. And just be safe. Teach them good gun safety. He's really good with gun safety. So.
Oh yeah. Okay. You'll always have to keep it on safe mode. So this is like my second video I've done. Never shot this before. I think I have.
We're going to chamber it. And I'm going to put it on safe. Okay.
Okay. Good. Safe.
It's on safe.
You always got to keep it on safe.
Okay, listen. You're going to feel a click and then another click.
Oh.
You need to make it go all the way forward. It's got two settings, okay?
Okay, so if I want it on safe,
it's all the way back. You got it. Okay.
And then, okay.
There's your bag. Got your crosshairs.
Oh, God.
Hold on, I'll get down there with you. When you got the target, let me know.
Okay, I'm on it.
Okay, it's off safe. See, I told you.
Oh, fine. You want to say it?
You got to put another one in it. Did it hit the target?
Yes. Yes, it hit the target.
You want to shoot it again?
Yes.
Well, come on.
Come on home, Jimmy. This thing is nice.
I'm going to load it.
Oh, yeah.
It's on safe. Tell me when to take it off.
Okay.
Impact! Right here, buddy.
Okay.
You going to go again?
Yeah. I'm going to keep on doing it. All right.
It's on safe. Find your target. When you find your target, I'll take it off safe for you. Got it? All the way forward. It's forward. Impact!
Impact.
You gonna take the bullet out? Can you cycle that bolt for me? Good job. You wanna shoot it some more?
Yeah.
You wanna shoot the other one?
Yeah. You want to see some impact? Here's impact. Really confident now.